The end results of today's hair growth recipe is going to blow your mind. In this recipe, I'm going to use natural ingredients to show you the best way to grow your hair. And one thing I love about this recipe is it is safe for kids, and I use it on my daughter's hair. Anybody can use this recipe, and it's very easy and simple to prepare. And I'm going to tell you all about it. When chemicals damaged my hair and I was trying to grow my hair all over again, my hair was breaking and thinning out. But after finding natural ingredients and knowing the best way to use them, now my hair is flourishing, it has grown much thicker, fuller, and more beautiful. And today is one of such videos, so make sure you're watching to the end. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, you know how much I appreciate the love and support. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs up, commenting, and even sharing it with your friends. And also if you're new here, I appreciate you stopping by. One of my natural ingredients for today's recipe is chamomile. I love this natural ingredients because of what it does to my hair. And I'm going to tell you all about that. But before going into it, you know how we do it here. But if you are new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel by giving videos thumbs ups. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And guess what? I love to read your comments, so make sure you leave me a comment in the section below and I'll make sure to reply to you. Chamomile has great benefits when it comes to hair growth. It will strengthen your hair strands to prevent hair breakages. If you're someone suffering from split ends or hair thinning, chamomile can help stop all that. It will also add some shine to your hair and make your hair really flourish. The next thing I'm going to add is my rosemary. Use the fresh rosemary or the dry rosemary, whichever you have. I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of my dry rosemary. Rosemary can improve blood circulation in your scalp to help you grow new healthy hair. It can also stop hair breakages, hair fall, and help your hair flourish. If you haven't been incorporating rosemary to your hair care regimen, please make sure to start. The next natural ingredient I'm going to add to today's recipe is thyme. Thyme has amazing benefits when it comes to hair growth. It is going to help prevent your hair from breaking, hair loss, or any hair fall issues that you might be having. Thyme can also stimulate your scalp to improve new healthy hair growth. You all know new hair grows from the scalp, so adding thyme to your hair care regimen will help you have healthy scalp, which in return will help you grow healthy hair. So after having all my 3 natural ingredients in a mason jar like so, I'm going to add some hot water to it, set it aside, and allow it to infuse into the water. And here you are. If you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And guess what? I love to read your comments, so make sure you leave me a comment in the section below. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and families as well as on the social media platforms so anybody who wants to grow their hair healthy can also benefit from it. So at this time, my recipe was all cooled down, then it is time to strain it. And look at that beautiful water. This water will do amazing work on your hair, so make sure to give this recipe a try. So after straining it, I still found some little particles in it, so at this time I'm going to use my wig cap. This is a clean wig cap. Use anything with tiny holes, but just make sure it is really clean. You can use your cheesecloth, your stockings, or anything with tiny holes. Just make sure again it is really clean. And this is what I'm having now. This recipe right here is so powerful and very soothing to the scalp. But the truth of the matter is, if you do not know the right way to use it, you're not going to get all the benefits out of it. So guess what? I'm going to show you the best way to use this recipe in order to get all the benefit out of it. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video and you're watching to the end. So at this point, I transferred some of the water into my spray bottle. I also added my DIY aloe vera oil. I made this oil myself at home, and I'm going to leave the link to the recipe in the description box, so make sure to check it out. I also added my leave-in conditioner. Feel free to use any leave-in conditioner of your choice. You don't have to use the same leave-in conditioner I'm using. The most important part is the natural ingredients that we added to it. So at this point, I'm going to show you the best way to use this recipe in order to get all the benefits out of it. So this is my daughter's hair. You can see it is really dry, matted, and it needs some water. It is really thirsty. So do not allow your hair to be all dried and matted like so. Otherwise, you're going to experience hair breakages. Whenever your hair feels dry, make sure you are re-moisturizing your hair. I moisturize my daughter's hair at least 5 times a week, sometimes even more. And with this recipe, everything is already added. I already added the oil and the leave-in conditioner. So all I do is I spray it to every part of the hair. I make sure to massage it into the hair strands, and once this water touches her hair, everything becomes really soft and easy to manage. So I make sure to spray it to her scalp, to her hair strands, every part of it. Then after that, I use my hands to separate her hair, and this will reduce hair breakages. Do not go in with a comb right away if your hair is really dry. You first have to use your fingers to detangle your hair and also to massage in the recipe. This recipe will stop your hair from breaking, it will treat your ends, it would stop split ends, and also help you grow much fuller and thicker hair. With the natural ingredients put together, it is also going to treat your scalp and give way to new healthy hair growth. Remember, new hair always grows from the scalp. So any treatment that will treat your scalp and make it much healthier and also prevent dandruff, dry itchy scalp, or any other scalp issues should be your go-to recipe. And remember guys, do not use this once and expect some good result. You need to be consistent with it. Consistency is always key. So after spraying it in it and using my fingers to separate it, I'm now going in with my homemade hair growth batter. I'm going to leave the link to the recipe of this batter in the description box, so make sure to check it out. After massaging it in, you can see everything is nice and soft. And that is when you go in with the wide tooth comb, because at this point the hair is really easy to manage. So you can put it in any protective hairstyle of your choice without experiencing hair breakages. Also, always remember to comb your hair from the ends or the tips before moving on to the roots. Thank you for watching this video today. I hope you have already given this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, I know you have already subscribed and shared the video. And before leaving, make sure you click on the video you see on your screen to learn more ways to grow your hair using natural ingredients. See you at my next video. Bye.